Hello and welcome to Leadpreneur Academy. My name is Basi Emmanuel. I am one of the study portal administrators over here at Leadpreneur Academy. In this short tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to carry out your examination and how to submit your examination when you are done. So without further ado, let us get started. When you open your course from your portal dashboard, you're going to land in this area where you would be able to see the materials and assessment associated with your course, right? For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be using International Relations 200 level. Underneath course content, you can see there are courses. This is Evolution of Modern International System, where we have the assignments for that. We have the test for that. And here we have the examination, right? We have the examination for that evolution of modern international systems INR 251 first semester examination, right? So but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be using history and practice of diplomacy, INR 221, history and practice of diplomacy. And I'm going to be using this to show you how to carry out your examination and how to submit. Okay, so let us go. This right here is your examination. You can see it is written History and Practice of Diplomacy INR 221 examination, right? So we're going to click on this. I've already opened it in a new tab, so I'm just going to go there directly. So here I have History and Practice of Diplomacy INR 221 examination open. And here you can see your instructions. Take a moment to go through the instructions. They're also a part of the process. And underneath that, you're going to see a link that takes you to the answer page where you are required to choose between the options A, B, C, and D for each question. The examination comes with a total of 30 questions, right? This is the first question, question one right here. And if you come under, you're going to see question 30, right? And that is the last question. So for every course, there are 30 questions, right? Okay, so to access your answer page, you're going to click on this link that says open this link in a new tab to access the answer page. So you're going to right click on it, open it on new tab. I've already done that. It's open right here for me. As you can see, history and practice of diplomacy INR 221 examination, and here I have right answers 1 to 30. So okay, if I try to submit, right, if I come to the bottom of the page, here you see the submit button. I've not selected everything, right? There are so many of them that are still undone, and I try to submit. Look what it says. It highlights all the ones that I have not done, excluding the ones that I have done, right? And here you can see, please complete all required fields. So that's why I'm gonna just quickly go through this to fill them up very quickly. If I want to choose the answer for number one, here I'll read the question, right? I'll read the question, and after reading the question, I'll choose the corresponding answer. And I'm gonna do the same for number two, read the question, choose the corresponding answer. And when I am done, I'll come right here. This is how you submit. It's very important. Please pay attention to this. This is how you submit. I'm going to click on submit because I've selected all 30 questions. I'm going to click on submit, and you can see here it says thanks for completing your assessment. So I'm done with the examination for history and practice of diplomacy INR 221 examination, right? And immediately after that, it's going to show you some results. Now it's important to know this. Please pay attention to this, okay? So the answers that you are seeing right here, for instance, it's saying that this is correct and this is not correct, this is correct and this is not correct. This does not accurately reflect your actual performance, right? It does not accurately reflect your actual performance. This is merely an indication that you have successfully submitted, right? If you choose an answer that you are very confident that it's correct and the system is telling you it's wrong, you absolutely shouldn't worry yourself about that, because the real assessment takes place at the back end and it is done by an entire department. It is a combination of human effort and computational effort. So it is very precise, not this. So please don't pay attention to this. Okay. So yeah, that's how you take your examination. You open up the examination questions and open up the answer page. And when you're done, you just click on submit. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your stay with us at Leadpreneur Academy. My name is Emmanuel Bassi. I'm one of the portal administrators. If you have any other issues that you would like us to address, why not? Send us a message on the portal. We would attend to your issue and ensure that whatever challenge you're having is addressed as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day. See you in the next one. Bye for now.